Explorer.
Good morning, Miss
Are we ready to light our campfire? Angela, I need you to come on over because you're my campfire lighter today. All right, let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I love Emily's circle behavior. I love Matthew's circle behavior. I love Isaac's circle behavior. They're showing me all the circle rules. I love it. I love Isaac's circle behavior and Kylie's and Angela's and Leonie's and Marco's and Emily's and Matthew's. Rocking circle behavior.
Miss Margot and Miss Matthew.
We're going to read a book this morning. That means we have to use our observation skills. We got to use what sense? Our eyes, our sight sense. That's right, our eyes. Our eyes, absolutely. So, we're going to use our observation skills today when we talk about this book. The title of this book is Nature Spy, and the author is Shelley Ronter and Ken Kressler. Now, what is this part of the book?
Cover.
Cover. Is this a hardcover or a
Yes.
soft?
Hard.
It's hard. Can you use an inside voice when you answer my questions? I love your answering the question. It's such a great answer. This book is about a little girl who goes outside all the time. Thumbs up if you are a kiddo who goes outside all the time. We go to the playground twice a day here at All Souls, so you guys all go to the playground quite a bit. But this girl spends a lot of time in nature. That's why she's called a nature spy.
Who made the book?
Who made the book? Who wrote the book?
The author.
The author. That's right. And I said Shelley Ronter. That's right, the author. All right. So we have our title page here, Nature Spy. It says it again, Nature Spy. And our dedication page, it says, "For Emily, my little nature spy." What? We have an Emily in our class. I wonder if it's the same Emily that this book is written for.
It's me.
This girl says, "I like to go outside to look around and discover things." Thumbs up if you know what discover means. Discover, discover. Thumbs up if you know. Thumbs up. Thumbs up if you know. Thumbs up with a bubble. Marco, what does discover mean?
Learning new creatures.
Learning new creatures. I like that, Marco. I like that definition of discover. Who else has an idea about thumbs up with a bubble if you know what discover might mean? Angela, what does discover possibly mean? She's looking around and discovering things. Exploring, that's a good word because we're the explorers. We know all about exploring, don't we? Thumbs up with a bubble. I'm going to ask for one more definition of discover. Ashton, what do you think discover means? She's looking around and discovering things.
Going outside, playground.
Yep, going outside. Yeah, discovering. She's going outside to discover things. She's going to find out about nature. And what is she going to use to find out about nature?
Eyes.
Her brain, yes, the things she knows. Her eyes. What else might she use to find out about nature? Her touch, that's right. She might find what things feel like.
Mrs. Miller, I have a question. Do you think maybe these two could sit like right there somewhere? They can't see real good in there.
Okay,
They're not
that's fine.
sitting
Have somebody
still.
sit here. That's
You
fine.
can scoot over there. Scoot. You can just sit right here so you can see better.
Ashton,
Come
come
here.
sit by me.
Here, Ashton. It's okay as long as your friends can see. Come here. Hurry, quick. Mrs. Miller's going to read a story. You can come over right here.
If you're sitting crisscross applesauce, your friends behind you can
Make
see.
sure
So we have to
everyone
make
can see.
sure we're sitting crisscross.
See if that works. So you don't touch
Is
it.
that better? You guys see better? Better? She's going to discover things to take a really close, even closer, and closer look at things. So what kind of skills is she using to
Eye.
closer, and she's looking closer and closer.
Brain.
What is she using to look?
Eye.
Her eyes. That's right. My mother says I'm a curious kid. She calls me a nature spy. Curious. That's a new word for some of us. Thumbs up if you might know what curious means.
Curious
Thumbs up with a bubble.
Curious
I think
George.
that's a good idea, Matthew. What would you say?
Monkeys.
Curious George is a monkey. So that's a really good thought about curious. Curious means you wonder about a lot of things. You wonder about a lot of things. Leonie, look right up here. I'll hold the book higher. Sometimes I look so closely I can see the lines on a shiny green leaf.
I don't like you.
Look, she's using her eyes to see the leaf from far away and even closer. I love Emily's carpet behavior and Ashton's carpet behavior and Matt's carpet behavior. Or a small acorn on a branch. Or seeds in a pod. What is she seeing here?
Bird.
Bird, but what's the up close picture of? The wing of the bird, right, absolutely. Or the golden eye of a frog.
Ribbit.
See, she's seeing it far away and then a little bit closer and then really close, right?
And he said ribbit.
Ribbit. Frogs do say ribbit. When you look closely, things look so different. Like the bark of a tree or an empty hornet's nest. So what do you think, remember, has anybody ever felt a tree with your fingers?
I have.
With your skin? What does it feel like? What does the bark of a tree feel like? What does it feel like? What do your sense of touch tell you? Is it soft? Some trees are soft, like some trees are soft. Aspen trees are soft. What else? What kind of
Pokey ones.
pokey? Yeah, sometimes they feel pokey. That's good. Yeah, that you can feel pokey. What else does bark feel like when you feel it on a tree?
Cold.
Cold, wood. What does it feel like?
Hardwood.
Hard.
Warm.
Pokey.
Warm.
Bark. It does feel like bark. You're right, Angela. Or an empty hornet's nest. So that's a hornet's nest, and there are lots of cool shapes in a hornet's nest. Does anybody know what this is? Way up close. Got to use your observation skills to figure out what this is. It's really close. What was that, Matthew?
Flower.
A flower. It is. It's a sunflower. What is this up close? Everybody uses observation.
A wall.
A
Rock.
wall. That's a good guess.
Rock.
A rock. That's a good guess.
Tree
I think
bark.
those could both be right. If it's a
Tree
wall made of rock.
mountain.
A mountain up close? Yeah. Angela.
Look, Castle Rock.
Hmm?
Castle Rock. Tree bark.
Tree bark? Yeah, that's a good guess.
Castle Rock.
This
Castle
is a rock,
Rock.
but it could be a lot of different things.
Castle Rock is our restaurant.
Sometimes there's a pattern.
Ice.
Like ice. Very good. Like ice on a frozen pond. What is this up close?
A tree.
Use those observation skills. What is this up close?
Butterfly.
This one.
A web.
A web. A spider
Spider
web?
web.
Yep.
Butterfly.
What's
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Very
I
good.
said it. No, I did. No, I did.
Here,
I did.
I'll show you. Back up. Back up.
Matt is not your business.
Everything has its own color,
Pumpkin.
shape, and size. I love Emily's carpet behavior and Isaac's carpet behavior. Look closely at,
A turtle.
what is this part of the turtle?
Turtle. A shell.
The shell of a turtle, absolutely. Or a dog's fur. That looks like my dog's fur. Mhm.
Hair.
What does dog hair feel like?
Stop.
Feels soft.
Like dog hair face.
Or
Bee.
even raspberries up close.
Raspberries. You can
And
eat
thumbs up
that.
if you like raspberries. Thumbs up if you like kernels of corn on the cob. Thumbs up if you like corn on the cob.
Corn on the cob.
I love them both.
Coin.
No matter where you look,
Probably
Up.
here.
down, or all around, There's always something to see when you're a nature spy. The end. So we're going to go on a nature walk later this week, and we're going to use our observation skills like the nature spy did. You guys think that would be cool? You want to go on a nature walk later?